no. Can you please shut the up?
Okay.
Why are you telling me these things?
Look,
are you kidding me?
I'm trying to find a solution here. One of our residents, Gerald, said he couldn't hear the answers in Jeopardy because of all the noise coming from your mom's room.
Do you know what's running through my mind right now? The pictures you just created for me? Thanks a lot. I'll never be able to get that out of my head.
Okay,
what are you, nuts?
Sir, I apologize. But maybe you could have a conversation with your mom about replacing the device.
No,
I'm just saying,
absolutely not. I'm not having a conversation with
sir,
my mother.
Please calm down. I'm just saying maybe you could tell her to try something a little bit more discreet.
I'm supposed to tell my 77-year-old mother that her is too loud and it's waking up all the other patients in the nursing home? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
I know.
Are you out of your mind?
I understand it sounds very embarrassing on the surface, but many of our seniors live a very active sexual life.
No, I don't want to know this.
I'm just saying, your mom really knows how to make the walls shake.
And you sound like you're enjoying this.
No, I am not, sir.
Oh, no, you're not, huh?
I'm taking this very, very seriously. I want you to know 3 different members of our staff have addressed it directly with your mom, and each time they were met with hostility. She seems to be very, very fond of her device.
First off, it's your job to handle this, not to call me.
That crosses a boundary with our residents. We can't go there.
Oh, you don't think it crosses a boundary with you calling me? Why don't you just break into her room and take it while she's at lunch or something?
We can't do that. We don't want to take away her pleasure.
No!
I'm just saying she took some time in knitting class to make a koozie for it.
Just stop!
She cares very, very much about this device.
This is the most disgusting. Just deal with it. I don't want to know.
All right. Well, look, if you don't want to handle this, maybe your sister Ann could have a conversation with her.
Don't you dare call my sister and tell her anything about this.
Okay.
She would not understand.
Well, look, I didn't even have to do that.
Are you crazy?
Ann is the one who called me because she wanted to set you up for this prank phone call.
She did what?
Yeah, she set you up for this prank because my name's actually Jeff from the radio show Brooke and Jeffrey in the Morning, and we're doing a phone tap on you, Sebastian.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm serious, man. Ann set you up for this.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, dude, I'm so sorry I got you so worked up there, but you were really freaking out. It was kind of funny.
Funny?
Yeah.
Funny for you, but you're talking about my mom in a here. Are you kidding me?
Are you saying that you don't want your mother to have pleasure?
Let's talk about your mom in a here.
Oh, yeah. No, I bought hers for her.
Oh, God, don't even start there. Oh.